Hey guys, this is Igor. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the study guides and kind of give you a little hint and a little information on how to solve them. So right now I'm in ACS study guide part 1. Let's have a look. So first thing I'd like you to notice that these little messages from me. So I tell you which chapter the problems are from, and what topic they are on. And also I tell you what to memorize for the ACS exam. Note that on the ACS exam you cannot have a note card, but you can have a note card on the practice exam. Therefore, I tell you what you need to learn. And so what I suggest you do is just put these information, whatever I put in here, on the note card and just memorize it. Take the test and forget about it. For example, this particular topic is on significant figures. You have a set of problems on significant figures. What do you need to know to solve those problems? You need to know rules on determining the significant figures. In other words, remember which zeros are significant or not. So for a number such as 0.001230, question is which zeros are significant. This zero is significant, and this zero is significant because it's between a set of numbers. The zeros afterwards are significant. Zeros up front are insignificant. So let's look. Let's look at a couple of problems here. You'll be given different numbers, and whether it's a scientific notation or not. Plus, you need to know scientific notation, and you should be able to tell how many digits are significant. For example, in this case, we have a set of numbers. No zeros up front, no zeros on the back end. So therefore it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. Correct. If you look at this particular number, we see that we bracket our set of numbers, so we have 2 zeros in the back. 2 zeros after the set of numbers are always significant, therefore we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures. That's correct. How about this for particular number? As you see, here's our set of numbers. There are zeros up front, which are always insignificant. Zeros up front, a set of numbers, are always insignificant. Therefore, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. So you have a few problems like that. Let's move on to the next topic, SI prefix conversions. So for this particular exam, it's important that you memorize SI prefixes for mega, kilo, centi, milli, and micro, which are 10 to the negative 2, 10 to the negative 3, 10 to the negative 6, and this one is 10 to the 3, and this one is 10 to the 6. So make sure to memorize those. Let's check out some of these problems. Let's look at this particular problem. The most important part is how to use these conversion factors. So therefore, I'm going to go to this problem and write out the solution. Have given, that's asked. Then you have 150 centimeters over 1. It's my given. Times the first conversion factor times another conversion factor will lead to my solution. So in this case, centimeter has to be on the bottom to cancel out, and side prefix conversion factors, centimeter gets the 1. Therefore, on the top, we'll replace centi with what it stands for, 10 to the negative 2. And then we have to convert it to millimeters. So millimeter has to be on top, meter gets on the bottom, this gets the 1, 10 to the negative 3, such. And calculate this out and plug it in. So that would be 150 times 10 to the negative 2 times 10 to the third, because I'm going to move this up, it becomes positive. So therefore it is 1.50 times 10 to the second times 10 to the negative second times 10 to the third. And the answer is, seconds cancel out, 1.50 times 10 to the third.